guys, welcome back to another one of Ashton's Adventures, and today I'm going to be doing an animal category thing. So it's going to take me a bit, so you're going to see the nights change a lot, but I have a little carrot here first to attract some animals. There's always animals in my backyard, especially either under the trampoline that I have or under my shed. And I did literally just throw a carrot, and I just found it, so I have 2 carrots now. And watch this. I hear something under. We're just gonna push it in more, and I'm gonna check on it at the end of the video to see if it's not there. And I'm also gonna check on, I'm also going to keep this, I'm also gonna check on this one at the end of the video. I'm gonna put it right there. Hopefully one finds either one. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go. Wait, I actually just found an animal. It's a bird. Okay, we found a bird. Okay, first one was a bird. And I'm also finding bugs. Second one, ant. And I'm also doing different kinds of them. Like that was just a regular ant. But then there's worker ants and all that. Red ant. That's a really small red ant. Now I'm going to scout from up here. Or I just heard something big. That's another ant. Another ant right there on the tree going down. Now, I think I might know somewhere where thousands, maybe even millions of ants are. It's in my backyard. There's 2 places that I know will have a lot of ants. One, my giant anthill. Look at all these ants scattering. Okay, so look. So ready? See, these ants bite me. That's why I hate these ants. See that hole? Stab it in. Take out, keep stabbing. Take out, keep stabbing. And soon enough, they're gonna start scattering. I'm gonna put the stick in every hole I see until I see another type of ant. There's an ant in my shoe. So while those ants scatter, I'm gonna check the second place, but before I do that, yeah, that's what you get, ants, for biting me 1,000 times. There's always ants under this big branch that fell a couple days ago. I wasn't even here. But yeah, I was at my cousin's. And there was a really bad rainstorm, and it knocked this really big branch down from up there. And I started whittling it. I'm a scout, so I learned how to whittle. So let me show you the first spot. This was the first spot that I whittled. Then this was the second. See how it's like gray? Then that's the part I whittled, the lighter part. There's an airplane all the way out there. Do you see it? It's right there. I'm gonna check on the carrots now. And it's not the end of the video. I just like checking on them. Nothing ate that one yet. Or even grabbed it. And nothing. Let's see if anything ate. Nothing. Okay. So this is where birds are always. This is the bath of birds. This is where they always bathe. They always just go in here to take a shower or a bath. The biggest two things I want to find is a bunny and a chickmunk. I need to find them. Chipmunks are always here. I always try to trap. Guys, hold on. Stay there, bunny. Jaguar. I need to get a carrot from one of the places. I'll get it from under the shed. Got it. Jaguar. No, two bunnies. It's a bird. No, stop running. This is how close I am to them. There's 3. 1, 2, and 3. No, they're taking off. Doing this attracts them. Oh my god, his nose is like going crazy. I just stuck his. Oh my god, they're shaking like crazy. Please don't run. I'm friendly. Where did I throw? No. I'm looking for the carrot I threw. Bro, that bunny's so scary because my sunglasses are making his eyes red. So it looks like he's about to shoot a laser at me. I need to find the carrot. How? No, stop. Guys, I'm friendly. Gotcha. I don't get why animals always run. They wouldn't run if people were hunting them. I'm gonna leave that right there for now to see if they take it. Bye, bunnies. Now, okay, I found the ones that I need. But now I just need to find a chickmunk. I have 10 more minutes to find the chickmunk. I'm gonna try to find the bunnies in their yard though. Again. It's crazy, I just went around the boat and I turned on, and then the bunny was just like, Yeah, and this is how much they shake. They shake like crazy. It blends in really well. But there's a bird up there. You can only see its tail. There's gnats all around me. Okay, gnat found. Next plan, go into the bushes. So, I made this. So, these are not our bushes. They were just really spread a lot. And so I started ripping one apart. And I can literally walk in here a lot. I always check for animals. Chickmunk! Come back! Oh! He got away. But there is something that I kind of want to find. It's a mouse. And this is going to scare me. There's mouses in here. It might not be in here right now. But that's his home. That's their home. Gosh, I literally have like 9 more minutes to find a chickmunk. Ants. Small worker ant I just saw. So we have a worker ant, a small worker ant, a regular ant. Yeah. And where I live, there's, I don't know if they are where you live, but they're called cicadas. And in like the summer, they're like cicada shells that are really cool. I don't know if they're in other places. I honestly don't know. other than my country, the United States. I know they're all over the United States. Found one. And they don't bite because this is their shell. Let's see those little biter things. Oh, wait. Regular size worker ant. I'm bringing this to examine it for you guys. This is probably like a really, if you find one this good in shape, you are really lucky. And if you're wondering how it's not in either of my hands, it's stuck on my shirt. Okay. No. Oh, I just crushed it. No. Okay, please. I'm gonna put it on the table that doesn't really have holes. So this is what the top looks like. It looks like literally just a shell. Then there's a little clearer part right there. Then you can kind of see its eyes. Then its little biter things, and that's its stomach. And if you're wondering, if you ever want to find squirrels and feed them, everybody thinks that acorns they love, but cicada shells they like more. So if you want to go outside and check trees for cicada shells, they're always on trees in the summer, and below trees, like I just found one right here. Then you can do that if you want to, if you are an animal lover like me. So right now we have 2 cicada shells, and I found these on the beach. If you like them, comment down below fire. So while I try to scout for some animals, I'm going to try and find cicada shells with you guys. So this is how you find them. You just look all over trees. But before you look at the trees, always look before you're stepping, because a lot of them are also on the ground, like this. Like, if I just walked right there, I would have stepped on him. Well, more like dead him. I would have stepped on dead him. So now we have 3. And I might do a short on feeding these to some squirrels. And I've been watching the Ryan Trahan series of 50 Days in 50 States. It's a really good series. I love it. So there's definitely something that's in that hole. And in that hole. There's literally holes all over my yard. Especially in my hole that I dug myself. So I'm basically just hunting. Well, not really hunting. Looking for cicada shells. There's a cicada shell right there. But that one's a bit crushed, so I'm just gonna grab that a bit later. But what is this? I need to identify this. Wait, I found nails too. I'm identifying all these at the end. Seeing if they match anything in the yard. So I have about 7 more minutes on trying to find it. Bunny! It was just right there. Wait, but did it grab the carrot? Is the question. Boom. Boom. Plane. No, the carrot is still there. Okay, cicada shell collecting time. I don't know why I couldn't say that. That is so simple to say. Oh, and guys, I got a new thing for my treehouse. Ashton's Adventure Squad. If there's a cicada shell in there, I am not grabbing it. Oh, cicada shell. So I'm putting all the cicada shells right now around the tree, like, so I can just grab them right at the end of the video. I would still be filming, but so I'm gonna put them right there. So I gotta look at the ground before I look at the tree. There's more on the tree than the ground, but just to be safe. This tree definitely crushed a lot of them. I mean, that branch that fell. Guys, comment down below how old you think this tree is. I'm going to show you how big this tree is. Yeah, it's a big tree. And this is like a small branch for it. I know. Let me show you my hole. So you know how I'm about like 4 or 5. I'm like 4 or 5. And it's almost my entire legs are in it. So this is like 2 feet. It's crazy. Cicada shells. Now I think I can look on the tree. I still have to look on the bottom, but I'm looking on. You are looking on the tree. Let me know if I missed any that I don't see. Comment that down below too. Earlier today, there was a queen ant on my driveway. I do not know what it was doing. And I don't know what I was supposed to do, so I just killed it. I don't want to be bit by a queen ant. Just no. So it seems like, well, they aren't really out much right now. But I found a lot for it being out right now. They're usually out in August. And it is. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. And it's only July, so we still have another month till August. And I'm on summer break. Somebody in the comments were wondering if I was on summer break. And yes, I was. Yeah. They're also a subscriber. They commented and subscribed. They commented on one video and they commented on 2 videos, and they subscribed. And I'm at 103 subscribers. So I'm getting some party stuff. Don't worry, guys. We're having a party for 100 subscribers. And we passed that. We destroyed that goal. I've only had my channel for a month. And thank you to all the people that are supporting me. And I'm hoping to be a really big content creator when I'm older. So yeah, and I'm also if you like blind bags, like, you know, blind bags, the things that you open and they have like a squishy in them, there's like rarities. I can teach you. I'm making a video on how to make them. So yeah. And I'm also making a short that is shorts that are series. Like if you're OG, you remember the teleporting series. That was one of my first ever videos. But it's a secret one this time. It is happening this weekend. So yeah. So let me show you how many cicadas we have. So, ready? This is a good amount for right now. So we have 3, 6. So we have 6 cicada shells right now. And always look on thicker trees. It doesn't have to be taller, just has to be thicker. Like this tree isn't the best because it's not as thick. Like there's literally like never any cicada shells on it or even under it. Like I didn't even find any on the ground. And I bet I won't even find any on the tree. Yep, not on the tree. And if you're wondering, some ants can bite. So, and they kind of hurt. It's just annoying because like it kind of hurts. There's ants all on this wood. Oh, I feel like it's gonna break. I made it past the wood. I heard a snap. Oh, snap. Ready, guys? I need to pull out my glider, and I need to full box somebody and 200 pump them. Ready? 200 pump. Oh no, there's a person behind it. 200 pumps. The last person's here. 200 pumps. Yay! This is about to be the end of the video, so I'm checking on the carrot. That carrot is still there. As well as the carrot over here. So I'm moving the carrot over here, if I can get it. Okay. I'm moving. Ugh. It literally just shredded so much in there. I'm moving, since it's the end of the video, I'm going to be putting this back at the shed and identifying everything I found. And saying everything I found. And if you were wondering what I collect seashells, rocks, plants, seeds, leaves, feathers, and bugs. I have a paper wasp, but they are ginormous. I'm a pretty good collector on bugs. I have a yellow jacket, a bee, a lot of things. I also have a cicada, not in its shell form. I don't know where it is though. So, we found 6 cicadas. Let's identify them again. They have their little biters right there, their arms right here, and their belly is right there. Then they have their eyes right there, and their clear part. And we have 6 of them. Then we have this. I'm going to try and identify what it is. And then we have these 2. So let's bring these up in the tree house to see if they belong to the tree. Bunny. Guys, there's a bunny. Hold on, I can't do that yet. There's a bunny, literally just went under the trampoline. Hopefully it gets the carrot. Oh my god. Where are you? I don't see it. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna retrieve the carrot and I'm gonna chuck it all the way in the middle. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, I don't think I can get that. You see the little orange thing? That's where it is. I literally dug you into that thing. Well, time to identify those nails. Oh, that's nice. If you're in Hawaii, watch out. Because I just got a notification for the weather news channel. It is weather, and it's like news weather. It's news about weather. And it just said volcano watch in Hawaii. So it's like, oh. And I'm soon posting a video that I made. It was like, so hold on, let me switch you to. So there's a volcano watch in Hawaii, so watch out. Got it? Watch out. Volcano watch. And where I am, there was some really bad storms. Like, there was 4 tornadoes at Long Beach Island in New Jersey, and there was a couple tornadoes where I am. So it is crazy right here. And yeah. So let's try to identify these nails. So one, we have this nail. It's like kind of bluey, greeny, tanny thing. And it has that. So let's see. So let me put you in 5. Let's see. Wait, I think I found it. That looks the same. We found it. Okay, found one. Now we have this one. It's like it has a flat top and it has that. I'm bringing you a bit down. This is kind of scary because I have 2 really expensive things. I have the stabilizer in my hand and my phone. Okay, I found it. You can't see it, but unless I can do... Is there any easier place? Well, it's right there. It has the number 10 on it, and it's the same one. So we identified the nails. Cool. No, blur, 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 blur. The bunny is out. 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 Let me try to grab the carrot from under the shed to try to get it. I just stepped in the ant hills. Oh my god, there's probably like 1,000 ants on my shoes. The bunny is literally just sitting there. It is so sunny out right now, and it's literally so late. It's like 8 right now. Come back, bunny! Bunny! I'm grabbing the carrot and chasing after it. Oh, it went in the other yard. Well, that was all for today. So hopefully you liked that video. And let me know. Just let me know. That's all you have to do. Let me know what videos you want me to do in the comments of any of my videos. I always try to respond to my comments when I have time. So yeah. And yeah. If you ever want me to do a video and you request it, I will do it as long as it's appropriate. So yeah. First, I'm gonna just put this under this one's going under the trampoline. This one. another one. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't hit the top again. Ready? Yes, it went right in the middle. Slow that down. That was done for this video, like I was saying, and again, any video that you request, I will do as long as it's appropriate. And yeah, and soon I might do 24-hour challenges. So yeah, let me know if you want more Minecraft videos. Let me know if you want Fortnite videos. I have made Fortnite videos, I just haven't posted them yet. So don't worry, I'm going to post Fortnite videos. So if you like Fortnite, I have those, and I have Roblox, and in the Grow Garden video I did, it was when I was a noob at the game. So guess what I have now? Comment down below. Pause the video right now and comment down below. What do you think? I'll give you 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. So it is 2 sugar apples, 2 beanstalks, and 1 burning bud. I just need an ember lily. So I have every common, every uncommon, every rare, every legendary, every mythic, every divine. Just not every prismatic. 1 more prismatic until I have every single thing in the shop. The ember lily. I need this ember lily, guys. You need to give me good luck next time I play Grow a Garden. So that's it for today. Bye.